Hey, how's it going? So today I have an unboxing of the Oral-B Vitality 100 Blue Black Crisscross Electric Rechargeable Toothbrush powered by Braun. And while I'm unboxing this, let me just give you some idea of the thought process that went behind me buying this. So I'm guessing that if you are watching this video, you are probably in the same boat as me, meaning that these are probably your first ever pair of electric toothbrushes. It is exactly what the case for me, and the reason I finally decided to, after 35 years on this planet, shift to electric toothbrushes is probably the same reason as you. After much research and after hearing it from many sources for a long period of time, I finally understood that an electric toothbrush offers substantially better cleaning and more benefits than any normal toothbrush could ever provide you, which is why uh, I went for this. So, normal toothbrushes that you operate by hand, apparently are not that good at cleaning your teeth. And um, initially, I was skeptical of this claim because I thought that it would rather be the reverse, meaning that it makes sense, right? It should be the reverse because with a normal toothbrush, you control the action, you control the movement, you control the angle, you control the placement of the brushes, and so it should provide you a better cleaning. But what I learned was that electric toothbrushes, because of their oscillating and their motors and how they rotate, because of the whole action, they initially I thought that they were just a toy, an appliance for the rich people who are just too lazy to even move their hand and brush their teeth the old-fashioned way. But it is not. Electric toothbrushes actually get into places, get into cavities that um, the normal brushing method just can't reach. So I was skeptical, and when I decided to buy a pair of electric toothbrushes to try out, I went for this, which are not exactly the cheapest, but one of the cheapest one of the cheapest toothbrushes that you can buy in India from a reputed manufacturer. So yeah, there's the charging stand. It comes with a rechargeable battery inside, which is the whole reason for that big heft. And the cable is short, but you are not supposed to be moving it around, or you don't need it at much of a distance. You can just keep it plugged in. And the manual states that it is impossible to overcharge this battery inside, so you can just keep it on charge 24/7 without any degradation in battery life. I'm guessing there is a lithium ion battery inside, but they claim that there will be no battery degradation. And yeah, water splashes is not a problem apparently for this, because you were meant to keep this in the bathroom or something. Here is the brush, and it comes separately. So let me just get it out of this packaging, and I almost lost that washer, that red washer. So the first thing you will notice in the difference is that it has got this round brush. Yes, the round head shape, and the brushes don't exactly straight out 90 degrees from the circle, from the plastic. They are curved at an angle, and they have different lengths. So and this is what I have noticed in almost every electric toothbrush that I browsed on Amazon. So they are meant to get into cavities, into holes, into places, nooks and crannies that a normal toothbrush just won't reach. Let me just put it in. This steel rod, I was initially a bit mystified by it, that how does this steel rod which can just go up and down, translate into a rotating motion of the process. And then I realized that, hey, this is pretty simple, because this is the exact type of technology that you see in hair trimmers, electric hair trimmers. So yeah, this particular Oral-B Vitality 100 has got two settings for speed. So two speed settings. So one is normal. You press it once, it is the normal speed, and then you can see it. It is hard to translate in a 30 fps video, but you press it once, it spins at a regular speed, and you press it twice, it spins at a faster speed, and it is quiet. I can barely hear it. It is very quiet. It is extremely quiet. You can barely hear the motor doing its work. So and it vibrates every. It doesn't have many of the fancy features that jack up the price of electric toothbrushes. But on the plus side, it has all the essentials. So it vibrates, it oscillates, and it buzzes. It gives you a buzz every 30 seconds or so that you know which, so that you are reminded to move to the other quadrant of your mouth to continue brushing. And after the 2 minute, which is the dentist recommended time for brushing your teeth, after 2 minutes it gives you a longer buzz, which indicates that your brushing time is over and you can let go. So yeah, that's the Oral-B Vitality, and it is a good first step, and I highly recommend you get it if you are worried about your oral hygiene. And I will be using it regularly from here on. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.